Hello everyone, my name is Ananya Rajput, a legal intern at Lexis & Company. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about steps in conducting a patent search. Now, a patent is an exclusive right conferred on persons or legal entity to exclude from making, using and selling the patented invention for a limited time period. The patent can be a utility or design patent. Utility patents are granted for new and useful processes, articles, machines, and any improvement, while design patents are granted for a new and ornamental design of manufacture. Now, the utility patent protects the method an article is created and used. On the other hand, design patents protect only the ornamental appearance of the invention. Now, any type of invention requires a thorough search and analysis to verify the novelty. Large organizations, lawyers, SMEs, and researchers conduct patent searches in leading patent database to determine the relevance of their invention in light of the existing art. Patents include technical and legal information. Some of the reasons organizations need to conduct patent research are patentability. Now, organizations need to conduct patent research in order to access the novelty of the invention. Research and development. The patent search helps to discover new technology areas or improve extant products or processes. Then economic. In the fiercely competitive market, organizations need to keep track, monitor the competitors' activity to gain competitive advantage. Financial. The patent search helps to avoid unnecessary cost spent on innovations prior investing to the technology area. Then legal. Now, patent search determines the potential infringers and identify opportunities for licensing. Then here comes marketing. Now, organizations need to gather information about new patent filed in the particular technology area, inventors, alive or expired patents, and many more. Now, thus conducting a patent search is pivotal for organization to define IP strategy, determine state of the art, like unearthing the prior art and identify novel elements of understanding the IP landscape, check for freedom to operate prior folding into the market, and locating potential infringers for the purpose of filing lawsuits or earn revenues. Now, conducting a patent search, a prior art search is conducted in the patent database to ascertain the novelty of the invention. It is critical to understand the objective of the search strategy prior conducting a search in the patent and non-patent literature. Now, the search can be carried out on both commercially subscribed and other data sources available online. Now, some of the prominent online patent database are Google Patents, Escape Patent, and Free Patents Online. Now, the 5 patent search strategy include first is your key string strategy. Now, the key string search involves keywords to carry out the search in patent database. Now, the search include identification of keywords that define the invention, locating terms that are synonyms to the words in the invention, the form key strings that are used in the search query in the patent database. Then is your patent classification search. Now, in the patent classification search, patents are classified on the basis of technical content so that the specific technology area can be identified easily. Now, one has to identify one or more classes that are relevant to the invention. There are various classifications assigned to the patent application, such as CPC, IPC, US patent clarification, and European classification. Now, the IPC code can be identified using catchwords that relate to the invention. Oftentimes, IPC codes yield a large amount of data and generate a broader scope. However, the number of results can be reduced by including broad keywords. Then comes your citation-based search. Now, a patent document had backward and forward citations Attorneys should consider both forward as well as backward citations. Citations are referred to the prior technology and can be extracted using key string search and patent classification search. Then comes your assign based search. Now, this search is conducted by extracting a list of assignees' applicant name from the relevant database. Then add the assignee name in the patent database to gather information about the assignee. Then comes your inventor-based search. The search involves extracting a list of inventors from the relevant documents and adding query in the database using the inventor's name. Now, embracing these patent search strategy will not only make the research comprehensive but also unearth and relevant references related to the patent. At Effectual, we help clients to conduct patent search in subscribed patent database to ascertain the invention is new and non-obvious. Our patent search team has in-depth knowledge and hands-on experience searching on multiple patent databases. Thank you.